Hello, my favorite people. How y'all doing? So it's been a minute, I know. But today we are going to finish up all of the little odds and ends in this bathroom that I promised to get back to y'all with. So, I remember mentioning that I hated these white rods. I don't know if y'all can see them. Can y'all see them? Y'all remember these white rods? I hate those rods, okay? I absolutely hate them. And I remember talking to y'all about how the brown floor and the brown cabinets just was not doing it for me. So we are going to revamp those today too. And I got a couple other things that I wanted to do. I know y'all remember when I was talking about everything I have in my bathroom, this wallpaper. Yeah, baby, we still gonna put it up. And I bought a couple other things. I just want to freshen it up a little bit, get this brown out the bathroom, and help it to, kind of subtle out all the dark colors in here. And the way I'm going to do that again is by changing the floor, changing this cabinet, and doing some stuff to this wall over here. It's pretty plain. And don't forget to leave comments on what else y'all think I should do, or if I should change anything. I welcome all comments, and a lot of times y'all say something to me, I totally agree. So stick around, let's get this started. Oh child, let's do it. It's honestly the next day. I just got finished doing a 12-hour shift, but I wouldn't feel right if I don't finish this. This bathroom is not that big. I can get it done, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. What I'm about to do now is put this wallpaper up. I'm letting my cabinets dry a little bit. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm gonna put this wallpaper up on this wall that's behind me. I'm gonna replace this mirror. The mirror is brown and it's square. And I am not a square, honey. I know. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I don't wanna take anything down. And I'm looking at the stuff that's on the wall while I'm talking to y'all, but I don't wanna take anything down if I don't have to. So I'm gonna see if I can work around it. If I can't, then oh well, I'll take everything down. But like I said, I'm just gonna put this wallpaper up. This wallpaper is a challenge because it's a pattern, but I know I can do it. I've done it before, so I'm gonna do it again. And let's get it started, and then we can be done with this side of the room. I mean, the room only is wide. Shelby, stop talking about your bathroom, girl. Let's put this wallpaper up. So we're about to get the floors done. And I'm just putting some laminate down on the floors. I got this from, you guessed it, Family Dollar. These are floor planks. It is 9 or 10 of these in the pack. I can't remember how many it is. I bought 2 packs, but as small as this bathroom is, I only needed 1. I might need 1 out of this pack. That's why I bought 2. And it's just like for small areas. But I'm about to put these on the floor. These are by Nexus. They're sold at Family Dollar, and I think I paid $12 for these. They're peel and stick, and they are 6 by 36 inches, and they're self-adhesive vinyl floor planks. They feel like wood. Can you hear it? It sounds like it too. Can you see it? You can see the detail a little bit. And they are in the color of gray oak. They are very pretty, very detailed. And I figured it'd be good because, like I said, I told y'all I don't like the brown in my bathroom, and I wanted to lighten it up. And the floors in here are brown. Like, they are a brown wood-like tile. I don't like it. I will be using some clear sealant to seal up the spaces around it because this is a bathroom. And I will be doing that after I put everything on the floor.